Lampang is a land of devout Buddhists and rich temple culture. Alongside the Myanmar border, Lampang features several Burmese Shan-style temples like Pong Sanuk. Named after a local clan of a past era, Pong Sanuk dates back nearly 1500 years. The temple has two adjacent complexes, north and south. Much of the restoration work has been done to the temple by the locals, whose labour earned the Award of Merit, the Unesco Award for Cultural Heritage Conservation, to the site in 2008. Pong Sanuk Thai, or the southern complex, features a compound sitting on a mound. The structure symbolises Mount Meru, the god's lofty residence from Hinduism. In the compound there are three major edifices: the pavilion, the pagoda and the temple hall. The pavilion is one of the province's finest samples of combined Lanna and Burmese Shan architecture. Under its roof the Buddha images face north, east, west and south according to the Hindu philosophy. Like its name suggests, the pavilion is also home to 1,000 Buddhist tablets. Down the compound's stairs, the temple's valuables and antiques collected during the restoration project are exhibited. These chests are called heap tam in the ancient Lanna language. They come in various sizes and designs and are said to contain Buddha's disciples' relics and Buddhist scrolls. Pong Sanuk is a beautiful cultural heritage of Lampang and the pride of its people. The temple sits on the northern bank of the Wang River in Lampang town. From downtown, cross the Ratsada Pisek Bridge, turn left at the first intersection onto Pong Sanuk Road.